everyone, welcome back to our tutorial. Today in this quick video, I will be showing you how to fix WhatsApp not ringing problem. Let's get started. The first step that I want you to take is try reinstalling your WhatsApp. Then the second solution is open your App Store. Then on the search bar, search for WhatsApp. Then tap on the update button and update your WhatsApp to a latest version. Now, even if this does not work, the last and foremost solution is go and open your settings, scroll and tap on General, then select iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and search for WhatsApp, select it, then tap on Offload app. Doing this, you'll probably have your issue fixed. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel.